So we're back at the hive. We did the supersedure splits. So this is the moment of truth. We're going to see if we've actually got a mated queen. So we have left these for, I would say, a month now. So there's plenty of time. Oh, we've got eggs. We do have eggs. Right. We can get in there. So these are really fresh. You can see they're sticking up, which means they were done today. So we are on a hunt for a queen, I'm hoping. Obviously this doesn't mean anything yet, whether she's drone laying, because we've got to wait for brood, but it's a good sign so far. Well, we do have brood. So this is all worker brood, and the pattern is lovely. Every single cell has an egg or larvae, and then it comes into the circular motion. So we have a successful mated queen, which is absolutely amazing. So now we've got to try and find her.
They're so calm.
You can see the difference from last time where they were stinging. Again, brood. We've got young larvae here. This is fantastic. Be gentle. Right, we have a cell here, but that doesn't mean anything. Drone brood. Can you see her anywhere? Nothing in this. We've got another one here. They're just, sometimes these bees, they just make little acorns. Just looking in these, so yeah, we've got larvae. This is all their new brood. I mean, it's not vital we find her. We know she is mated successfully, so she's definitely here. What is that? That's the remnants of one of the supersedures that hatched. You can see the crater here. So all of these cells have eggs. Again, eggs. It's such a lovely feeling when you know you've got a new queen and she's all come back safely. This is all stores and eggs. There's still eggs here. Can't see her though. She could be quite dark.
Could be quite small.
Yeah. So we've looked back through, we still can't find her. She could be tiny, but I'm not going to linger for too long because I don't want to chill the brood. So we know we have a queen. She's mated, and we'll just leave them to it and check them with the normal regular hive inspection. So we'll put all this back. So the big hive's turn. Let's just hope. So we'll check the queen excluder. Can't see anything on that, we'll give that a little. Been busy with the propolis. Let's just hope they're busy with the queen. So this was the blanks we put in, so they haven't really drawn that, really. Can't see anything in that. This is pollen. Right, here we go, let's have a look. Not seeing anything. Oh dear. I'm not seeing anything. We keep going, we are still hopeful. I'm not seeing any eggs. I don't think we've got anything here. I'm afraid to say, at the moment, I don't think they've got a queen. I think it's all failed. But we could leave them another week. I mean, it has been about a month. So, it's plenty of time for her to come back and lay. We don't want to leave it too long because that's when you get laying workers. Right, a bit of sunshine. Let's see if we can see in there. So this is the brood laying area, but there's nothing. So it looks as though we may have to merge the nook to this hive. And that's why it's good to do a backup. So we're back again. We've given them 2 more days. I'm just having a quick look through just to see if there's any eggs, any sign of a queen in here, and there isn't. So the plan that we're going to do, because we did a nook here, we know that she's now laying with the new queen. We're going to take a frame of her eggs and then we're going to put them in here. So then that way they can instantly draw out a new queen, and if there is, which I highly doubt, a queen in here, they won't draw. So that's the plan that we're going to do. So we'll put this back, go into this nook, and then we'll take a frame. So we found the queen, she's in this one here. So we've taken this end frame which has eggs and a small amount of larvae. So what we'll do, we'll just sweep these bees off as best we can, because we don't really want them crossing. Same with the other side. You can do this with a leaf, a feather. It's just easier this way. Right, okay, so what we do now, just check the eggs, all fine, they're all fresh eggs. So we put that in the middle area, put that up there. So that's now enclosed with the surroundings. So now they will draw, if they need to, which they should, from these eggs that we've just put in. So then that will build another queen cell and then it will start again. So hopefully that sorts that situation. Then we'll come back and check these. So thanks a lot. See you next time.